Ever pondered over the correct way to drink water? It seems simple, right? But there's more to it than meets the eye, making it an art in itself. Imagine a clear, sparkling glass waiting to be filled with the elixir of life, water. The first step is to ensure the glass is clean. Remember, cleanliness is next to godliness, and it's no different when it comes to drinking water. Next, approach the water source. It could be a water purifier, a tap, or a bottle. Hold the glass steadily under the source. Remember, the aim is to fill the glass, not to submerge it. Turn on the tap or pour from the bottle, gradually filling the glass. Watch as the water level rises, the glass becoming less empty and more full with every passing second. Stop when the water reaches about an inch from the brim. This leaves enough space to prevent spillage when you lift the glass to drink. Now, the glass is filled, sparkling with the promise of hydration. It's time to drink. Lift the glass using a firm grip, but don't squeeze too hard. Bring it to your lips, tilt it gently, and allow the water to flow into your mouth. Don't gulp it down in one go. Take a moment to appreciate the coolness, the taste, and the feel of the water. Swallow it slowly, savoring the sensation of the water trickling down your throat, hydrating every cell in your body. Drinking water isn't just about quenching thirst, it's about nourishing your body. So, the next time you reach for a glass of water, remember these steps. Ensure the glass is clean, fill it carefully, and drink slowly, savoring every drop. In summary, the art of drinking water isn't complicated. It's about cleanliness, precision, and appreciation. And now, you're a master of this art. Enjoy your next glass of water with a newfound sense of appreciation and sophistication.